Hey, welcome once again to another vlog, and this video features my meetup with my virtual colleague friends. So before heading to the meeting place, we just walked around Ikea and we never finished an entire floor. Just took a glimpse and headed to La Fiesta and met with Kian from Singapore. So started taking videos. So dito muna tayo sa mga seafoods. Ayan yung ating halaan. And then mga squid over here. May mga crab meat and all that. And then dito naman ay barbecue, hot dogs. Ayan. So napakarami, no? So just look at that delectable and yummy na mga food. And of course, La Fiesta specializes in Filipino delicacies. So there you go. And here goes my top one for tonight. Ang kanilang lechon. Super yummy and super lutong ng balat. So 10 over 10. This is one of my favorite stations. Nakadalawang balik yata ako for the fried rice and then vegetables and the carbonara together with the macaroni salad and fruits dun sa dulo. So, ayan siya. Dito naman sa dessert section, halo-halo lang ang tinry ko kasi parang very full na talaga ako on this. Dun sa pang-apat na plate ko na. But I made halo-halo for Kian kasi ito talaga daw yung gusto niya matikman. Cakes section. And then meron din dito, ayan, drinks. Yung drinks, coffee, and then ice cream. And of course, one of their showcases ay ang cultural presentations in between ng kanilang mga band sessions. So, mga 2 sets yata yung napanood namin. Also, one of the reasons why dito namin dinala si Kian is for him to enjoy Filipino food and, of course, experience the culture. And this one I think is for birthday celebrants kasi may balloons and nadidinig namin pa happy birthday. And then meron silang ganyan special dance production and all that. Very nice. And here are our photos or groupies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. To God be the glory.